Hello guys, welcome to Geospatial Pro. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video. In this video, you are going to learn how to mask or clip your raster image within your shapefile in QGIS. So to do this, you have to open up your QGIS. This is your QGIS interface, and you have to import each your raster image and your shapefile, that is the shapefile of your study area. So to open up your raster image, you go to raster and locate your file and import it and add it to. So this is my digital elevation model, which is a type of raster image. You can have different type of raster image. It could be your rainfall maps and other map. So the next thing you have to do is also import your shapefile or the shapefile of your study area. So I can also locate my shapefile, which is a vector file, and add it. So I have my shapefile now. So the next thing you have to do for you to clip this your shapefile or this your raster image, which is your digital elevation model for this case, clip it within your shapefile now. The next thing you have to do is to go to raster and locate extraction. Go to raster tab and locate extraction and click on clip raster by maxing. So once you click, you have to select the input data, which is your raster image. If you can see, select this, which is your raster image. In this case, we have the digital elevation model. Then the maxing layer, which is your shapefile, we have this. You can set this, you can also select this, but we can leave this as option. But the important thing you have to do is to target extent. You have to select this or target extent as your raster, as your shapefile. So we have this. You can also give it a name, the output, which you can give it a save to file. You can save it to your study area. You can save it to DEM clip. I can just call it DEM clip. So we have this save, and you can click on run. So once you click on run, your image will be generated, and you are going to have, you can uncheck this, and we are going to have your study area. You can zoom in to see clearer your raster image within your study area. So with this, you can continue on how to use this to create your map, or you can watch our video on how to create a details map within this. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and like this video. You can also watch our next video on how to process all of this data or all the digital elevation model. You can watch our video on how to download digital elevation model of 12.5 resolution. Thank you and subscribe to the channel.